Welcome to LFA's video on capsule sizes. There's currently a total of 10 capsule sizes, which all loosely follow standard sizes. However, it's important to note that the tolerances between two different manufacturers may differ. No matter the type of capsule you choose, from gelatin, vegetarian, or HPMC, to understand capsule sizes, let's first take a look at the measured dimensions. Overall closed length measures the size of the capsule when it's closed shut with a formulation inside. The cap length is the shortest part of the capsule. This part fits over the top of the body once filled with the formulation. The body is the longer end of the empty capsule and filled with the formulation. The weight capacity measures how much of your formulation can fit inside your desired capsule. However, this will depend on the density of the formulation. You wouldn't be able to fit as much of a light, fluffy powder into a capsule as you would with a higher density. Even the same ingredient produced by two different manufacturers can have different densities depending on the manufacturing process. If we look at one of our previous videos on bulk density, you'll see that when we fill the cylinder up to the 1 litre mark with magnesium stearate, it weighs 597 grams. We then took calcium powder as an example and weighed 597 grams, and it took up half the volume of the cylinder at 500 millilitres. It showed the major differences in formulation weights. On the LFA's capsule size chart, you'll be able to see the empty capsule weight capacity by formulation in milligrams. If we look at a 00 capsule, which is the most popular size capsule, you can see if your formulation density is 0.6 grams per milliliter, you'll be able to fit 540 milligrams. But if your formulation density is 1.2 grams per milliliter, you'll be able to fit double the amount at 1080 milligrams. Again, this shows the major differences in what your formulation density makes. A 000 capsule is ideal when working with larger formulations, especially if you're using dried herbal, vitamin and mineral, mainly used in homemade dietary supplements. 00 is the most popular size capsule out there, as it combines both the ideal size, as you're able to fit a good amount of the formulation without the capsule being too big for the consumer. From 0 to 5, there's a significant difference on how much each capsule can hold, and again this depends on the density of the formulation and your intended dose for your capsule. Be sure to see the bulk density video in the description below. The E sizes, 00E and 0E, are extended versions of the 00 and 0 capsules. They're just there if you don't want to move up to the 000 from the 00 and the 0 from the 00. They would make a good compromise. As well as having the sizes, capsule weights, volume capacity and formulation density, the capsule size chart will also show you the standard capsules per case you'll receive, which has a massive difference depending on the size of the capsule you're working with, from a 000 at 50,000 capsules per case to a size 5 at 350,000 capsules per case. Deciding on what capsule you need depends on several factors. The total weight of your capsule. Do you want your capsule a certain size? Larger capsules such as a 000 are sometimes considered too big and undesirable by a consumer. The density of your powder. Every powder granule weighs differently, so if you have the same volume of two powders and weigh them, you'll get different weights. Take a look at our video on bulk density for more information. LFA supply a wide range of capsules and sizes: gelatin, vegetable and HPMC, including separated capsules if needed. For more information, products and guides, please visit www.lfacapsulefillers.com.